Charis here from Binance Australia, and I'm here to talk to you about monetary and fiscal policy. Look, I get it. It doesn't sound very exciting, but trust me, it is the core of economics, and you need to understand this if you are investing in equities or even crypto. Hey guys, Charis here from Binance Australia, and whilst I am a self-proclaimed degen, I also study finance and economics. So let me give you the TLDR of monetary versus fiscal policy. Monetary policy and fiscal policy refer to the two most widely recognized tools used to influence a nation's economy. Central banks use monetary policy to manage the supply of money in a country's economy. With monetary policy, a central bank increases or decreases the amount of currency and credit in circulation in a continuing effort to keep inflation, growth, and employment on track. In Australia, our central bank is the Reserve Bank of Australia, or the RBA. In the US, it's the Federal Reserve, and we usually refer to them as the Fed. They have a dual mandate to maximise employment and to ensure price stability. So how exactly do they do this? Well, if the RBA wants to contract the economy like they are doing right now, they can raise interest rates for commercial banks as a way to decrease the amount of money in circulation. Banks will then push this increase onto their customers. They can also sell government bonds and treasury notes to commercial banks. In the end, commercial banks have a reduced amount of available money to lend, and thus they increase their interest rates onto you. On the other hand, expansionary monetary policy is a macroeconomic strategy that intends to stimulate the economy by increasing the money supply. For example, central banks can reduce short-term interest rates, lower reserve requirements, and buy securities. Sometimes you'll hear people refer to this as printing money. They don't technically print money, but we love the memes regardless. Fiscal policy, on the other hand, is a term used to describe how governments adjust the tax rates and spending levels of a country. It allows the governments to monitor and ultimately influence the economy of a nation by defining how public funds are collected and used. And whilst the RBA is independent of government in Australia, fiscal policies are usually used alongside monetary policies to change the direction of an economy and to maintain its stability. So there you have it. You are now qualified to read the Weekend Fin Review and battle any boomer at the dinner table. If you want to learn more about crypto or economic terms, leave a comment below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.